Welcome! In this tutorial, we will walk you, the plan member, through the RWAM Plan Member Services website. This video will explore the menu options, explain the tools, and help you better understand the resources available from RWAM. Visit RWAM.com. Under Plan Members on the top menu, you can select Plan Member Sign-In to access RWAM Plan Member Services. Click Plan Member Sign-In. Your first step after receiving your plan information and welcome letter from RWAM is to register online for access to your RWAM Plan Member Services account. Be sure to have your RWAM welcome letter handy for the next few steps. Click Register Now. Complete the required information on the form and click Continue. Reminder: ensure your name, group number, and certificate number are entered as they appear on your RWAM 1 card, which is included in your welcome letter. Note: ensure you use an email that you are comfortable having personal benefit and insurance information shared to, as it will become the main contact email used by RWAM. You will receive your user ID and a temporary password. Use these credentials to log in to the Plan Member portal. The first time you log in, you will be prompted to update your password from the current temporary password. Welcome to the home page. This is the home page you will first see when you log in to the RWAM Plan Member Services website. At the top of the page, you will see the name of the owner of the account, the RWAM Plan Member, along with the Sign Out button. Be sure to promptly log out of your account every time you are finished with your session. The top menu holds all the most important information you, as a plan member, will want to access. Let's explore each option. Utilize the Personal tab to manage your contact information, review or appoint a beneficiary, review dependents included in your plan, manage your direct deposit banking details, review or update your coordination of benefits details. Utilize the Benefit Booklet tab to download a PDF copy of your benefit booklet. This will provide a detailed summary of your group benefit coverage through RWAM. This PDF is specific to you and your group plan, with helpful explanations of your benefits. We encourage you to review and reference your benefit booklet often, so you can feel confident you understand what's available to you from your benefits package. Your benefit booklet also includes definitions and terminology that can be helpful for you to review before you submit a claim. Utilize the Claims tab to review Fast Facts for dental and vision, perform a claim search to review current claims pending or processed, and past claims processed for any desired time period. Submit a claim with our simple-to-use claim submission portal. Click Balance Summary to view your current balance of paramedical practitioners and vision care coverage. If you require a downloadable printable version of your claim forms, you can access them here under Claim Forms. Coverage tab. Coverage Summary allows you to see your benefits, effective dates, and status at a glance. One Card allows you to access a digital copy of your RWAM 1 card to print. Utilize the Benefit Confirmation Report to download a PDF of your benefits confirmation. This will contain benefits and details specific to your certificate. Thanks for watching.